In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add zigzag channels in TradingView Pro. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you're logged in to your TradingView account and that you have a chart open. Any market or time frame will work. So just pull up the chart you usually analyze. Once your chart is loaded and full screen, we're ready to add the indicator. At the top of your chart, you'll see a toolbar that runs horizontally across the screen. Look for the button labeled Indicators. It's usually near the middle of that top bar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can search for and add any tool or script that TradingView offers. When the Indicators window opens, you'll notice a search box at the top. This is the easiest way to quickly find what you're looking for, instead of scrolling through a long list. Click directly inside that search box, so your cursor is active there, and you can start typing. Now type in Zig Zag Channels. Make sure you spell it correctly so the right indicator shows up. As you type, TradingView will automatically filter the results below. You should see Zig Zag Channels appear in the list, either under built-ins, community scripts, or a similar category, depending on how TradingView is currently organizing them. Once you see Zig Zag Channels in the results, click on it once. As soon as you do, TradingView will apply the indicator to your active chart. You'll see the zigzag lines and channels appear over your price action, giving you a visual structure of swings and potential support and resistance areas. If you want to customize how it looks, you can hover over the indicator's name at the top left of your chart and click on the settings icon. From there, you can adjust things like colors, line thickness, or the sensitivity of the zigzag. Small adjustments can make it easier to read, depending on your trading style and the time frame you're using. One more thing, if you're not on TradingView Pro yet and you want access to more indicators, more alerts, or additional quality of life features, check out the affiliate link in the description. Using that link helps support the content and often gives you a discount or trial depending on TradingView's current promotions. And that's it. You've now added zigzag channels to your TradingView Pro chart and you're ready to start incorporating it into your analysis.